party people, how's it going? What a beautiful morning it is. I hope we can see some sunshine today because it's gonna be a really interesting day. But first, let me put a shirt on. That's better. Let's go inside. Alright, by the way, is it too late to make a review about Hero 7? Because I just got this camera and I still cannot imagine. The stabilization is really amazing. Just look at that. Black and shiny and awesome. Ugh. Well, I'm pretty sure you've seen many reviews of Hero 7, but I do this review my way. The funny thing is, I guess I can say goodbye to this gimbal right here because I don't need this anymore, so I'm just gonna... Alright, so enough talking, let's put this bad boy to the test and let's take it on the battlefield. We're going for a ride. I need my jacket. We just left the city and we are here in this beautiful part of this. Everybody, oh, the people are looking. How is it? What's wrong with my hair? Oh.
Are you sure you want to show this in your vlog?
Well, it's a helmet here. Anyways, we are here. We stopped in this beautiful bridge. People bungee jump and stuff like that. Oh my god, look at that. Last time, why are they all laughing? Anyways, so hope you guys enjoy the quality of this Hero 7. Now we're gonna fly the drone and oh god, it's so beautiful out here. Look at that. Woo! And are you digging the stabilization? Woo! So stable, bro. Ah, all right, drone shots.
Things that fade away. Let me keep coming back, keep coming back. Keep coming back, 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 my friend. Of things we know.
This guy almost crashed. How do you feel, the passenger?
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah, that's it, man, that's it. All right.
Irony, people, irony.
How much is he paying you to say that? One of my favorite waterfalls in Malaysia. And here are some of my settings. I'm filming in 60 frames per second. 1080p. My exposure is -1. Yeah, the color profile is flat and the sharpness is medium and hyper smooth on. So here are some of my settings. So there are 3 rivers that we need to cross and I think I'm gonna make my shoe I'm gonna make my shoes wet because there is no choice. And I didn't bring any extra socks. But yeah, it's pretty beautiful here.
Now take this and record me.
Oh, my ball feels so good. Why are you grabbing her?
You go, you go.
You can do it. Here. Careful, careful. No. Look at them. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we made it back alive and it is 4 p.m. right now. Look at my shoes, like it's completely wet until the waist. It was pretty good experience. Let's ask these people right here how they feel. Alright, so people, how was your experience? Starting from you.
Whoa!
Oh, okay, that was the really fakest woo I've ever heard. Oh, okay, she's not even speaking. What about you?
Super.
Alright, super. You can put your hands down. I can smell the underarms. Alright, so as you see right here, I think I'm losing my voice. Anyways, I'm gonna continue this review and I'll see you guys back in the city and we're gonna go test this shit more out. So now we gotta ride back and it's a beautiful sunset. So hope you guys enjoy the sunset ride, I guess.